Hi friend, today I'm going to discuss about the conditional statement, which is also known as decision making statement in Java. So in this video we will learn about the conditional statement in Java, also known as decision making statements. These statements help Java program make decisions based on certain conditions, whether they are true and false. So there are six type of conditional statement. These are if statement, if else statement, else if ladder, nested if statement, switch statement, and ternary operator. So in this video, I'm going to explain first three conditional statement: if statement, if else statement, and else if ladder. And later on, I will discuss. I will make another video, and in the descriptive way, I will explain you nested if statement, switch statement, and ternary operator. So let's start with a simple if statement. So here we have to understand actually what is simple if statement. Simple means what, like you can see here the syntax. It will start for the if condition, if, and here we have some condition. Condition means what? It would be true or false. So if it is a true, it will comes inside this block and it will execute this block. If it is a false, then it will skip this, it will skip, it will not execute anything. It will just skip this part. So for the better understanding, I have created one flow here. So you can see this is the statement can be true or false, correct? And if the statement is true, it will execute this block, and if it is a false, it will skip this block. So similarly, whatever I explained here, you can see this part, correct? The similar process will happen in this part. So now coming to one example I have created here. So you can see in this program, we have one number 5, which is stored in the variable a, which is the which data type? It is a int data type, correct? If you don't know about the data type, in upcoming video I am going to explain the different type of data type in descriptive manner. So stay tuned and keep watching my video. So now a is storing the 5, which is the int data type, means integer data type. Now we can see if, correct? Already I have explained with the help of syntax. So if is here, correct? And in this we have some condition. The condition may be true and false. So if it is a true, so it will print this a is greater, otherwise it will skip, it will not print anything. So let's check. So is 5 is greater than 3? So yes, it is a is greater, correct? So output will be a is greater. Suppose instead of 5, if we have 1, so it will check if 1 is greater than 3. Is it correct or true or false? So it is false, correct? So it will not print anything. It will just come out from this block. It will skip. Now let's come to some upgraded thing. Upgraded things means like we already seen, like now I'm telling you about if else statement. So I already told you about if condition, correct? Now something has added now, which is else block. Okay, so if our condition is true, it will comes under the true block. If it is a false, so it will print the false block. Okay, you can see here the flow. So statement would be true or false. If it is a true, it will execute, you know, the first block, if condition block. If it is a false, it will execute the else block. So for the better understanding, I have also one program here. So here we have to check even or odd number. So I know lot of people, they know about the even or odd number, but again I'm explaining actually what it is. Any number which is divisible by 2 is known as even number, and if it is not divisible by 2, it is what we call that one odd number. Okay, and here we have one example, 13. Okay, 13 is stored in the variable n, and what type of variable it is? It is int, correct? So can you tell me one thing, is 13 is divisible by 2? No, correct? So what to do in this case? So if is a condition, correct, condition can be true or false. So n modulus 2 equal 0 means if the number divided by 2, and if means, and if it means n modulus 2 means you are dividing the number with 2, and you will get some remainder, correct? So that remainder, if it is equal 0, then the condition fulfill, correct? So what you will get, number is even, else number is odd. So tell me, is this pass or fail? It will fail, correct? Because 13 is, if you divide 13 with 2, so you will get you will not get the remainder 0, correct? So condition will be, so number is odd, correct? Hope you are able to understand. If you have any question, you can comment in the box, so I can understand what what the issue or what the problem you are facing, so I can explain in more descriptive way. So the output is number is odd, correct? So now we are coming to else if ladder. Else if ladder is more upgraded version of if condition, if else condition. How? Let me tell you. So syntax is if condition, correct? Here else is also there. After else we have to give one more if condition. Again else, if condition, else, and in the end we have to give the else. Else is nothing but it's a default block. Okay. If the condition, how it will work, like you have given some condition. So if it is a false, it will go to the second else if condition. Again, if it is a false, it will not work, then it will go to the third block. Okay? And if it is in the third block also, if it is not work, it will go to the default block, correct? So for the better understanding, let me show you one flow here. So we have some statement here, correct? It can be true or false, correct? If it is a true, it will take the action for the first one. If it is a false, it will take the action for the second. If it is a true, understand one more time. If statement, if it is true, it will execute the first one. Again, if it is again, if we go for the second condition, you can see here, as if it is true, it will execute. But if it is false, it will go to the else part and it will print the else one. You can see. So here we can see here one example, like we have certain marks here, the grade calculation, we are doing the grade calculation here. So we have mark here 25, and 25 it is stored in the marks, which type of variable it is, integer variable, correct? So condition is marks is greater than 90, is it true or false? Tell me. So this is false, correct? So it will not print the grade A. It will goes to the else if second part. So is 25 is greater than equal to 80, grade B, it will not print grade B, correct? It is false. Again it will check here. So else if marks is greater than 60, is it true or false? So yes, it is true. It will print grade C, correct? So what you will get? Grade C. If it will not satisfy this one as well, like if take example like 50, if 50 is greater than 60, it will say no. So automatically it will go to the else part and it will print grade D, correct? So hope you are able to understand this conditional statement, and in the next video I will going to explain you about nested if statement, switch statement, and ternary operator. So thank you guys, keep supporting. I will make a video on the different topic Stay tuned.